What will life be like in 2100? The year is 2100. The world outside your window looks familiar, and yet completely different. Cities glow with intelligent systems. Vehicles move without drivers. Artificial intelligence quietly manages much of daily life. For the people living in 2100, these technologies may feel as ordinary as smartphones feel to us today. But if you traveled back just 100 years, our modern world would have looked like science fiction. Think about it. In 1925, commercial air travel was in its infancy. The internet did not exist. Artificial intelligence was nothing more than imagination. No smartphones, no satellites, no space stations. And yet, in just a single century, humanity transformed the world, which raises an extraordinary question. What will the next 100 years bring? How will we live? How will we work? Will we still live only on Earth? Or will humanity become something entirely new? Welcome to the year 2100, a future that is closer than we think. Cities of the future. For thousands of years, cities have shaped civilization. From ancient Rome to modern Tokyo, cities have always reflected the limits of human technology, but by 2100, those limits may no longer exist. The cities of the future may not simply be larger, they may become alive. Imagine buildings that generate their own electricity, walls that absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, roads that repair themselves automatically, entire neighborhoods powered entirely by renewable energy. Artificial intelligence could monitor energy use in real time. Traffic jams may become a relic of the past. Sensors embedded throughout cities might instantly detect accidents, fires, or infrastructure failures. Problems that take hours to solve today could be fixed in seconds. Future cities may also grow vertically instead of horizontally. Gigantic skyscrapers could contain homes, offices, parks, schools, and even farms. Imagine living in a building where fresh food is grown just floors above your apartment. Vertical farming could feed millions while using far less land and water. This may become essential. By 2100, the world's population could exceed 10 billion people. That is more people than have ever lived on Earth at the same time. Urban planners may be forced to rethink everything: how we build, how we travel, how we share resources. Climate change may also shape future cities. Rising sea levels threaten many coastal regions. Future architecture may need to adapt. Floating neighborhoods could emerge. Self-cooling materials may reduce extreme heat. Entire cities might recycle nearly every resource they consume. Waste itself may become a thing of the past. In many ways, cities of the future may function less like machines and more like ecosystems, living, adapting, evolving. The future of transportation. Transportation has always defined human progress. The wheel, the steam engine, the airplane, each innovation changed civilization forever. The next revolution may be even greater. By 2100, driving a car manually may feel as outdated as riding a horse does today. Autonomous vehicles could dominate roads across the world. Artificial intelligence may coordinate billions of journeys simultaneously. Traffic lights may disappear entirely. Cars could communicate with each other instantly. Accidents caused by human error may become incredibly rare, and the changes may not stop on the ground. Flying vehicles have captured human imagination for decades. While significant challenges remain, future air mobility may eventually transform transportation. Imagine stepping onto an air taxi. No pilot, no steering wheel, just a destination. The vehicle rises silently above the city, avoiding traffic entirely. What once seemed impossible may become routine. Long-distance travel could change as well. Advanced high-speed systems may connect entire continents. A journey that takes hours today could take minutes in the future. Imagine crossing Europe faster than watching a movie. Distance itself may lose meaning. And then there is space, perhaps the greatest frontier of all. Today, only a few hundred humans have traveled beyond Earth's atmosphere. By 2100, that number could reach millions. Commercial space stations may orbit Earth. Space tourism may become affordable for ordinary people. Future generations may spend vacations among the stars. Permanent settlements on the moon could support scientific research and industry. Mars may host its first cities. The red planet that once seemed unreachable may eventually become humanity's second home. The future of transportation is not simply about moving faster. It is about expanding where humanity can go, and perhaps one day where humanity can live. Artificial intelligence and daily life. Artificial intelligence may become the defining technology of the 21st century. Its influence is already growing, but by 2100, AI could become deeply woven into nearly every aspect of life. Imagine waking up in the morning. Your AI assistant has already analyzed your schedule, optimized your nutrition, managed your finances, adjusted your home's temperature, and scheduled medical checkups before problems even arise. Invisible, efficient, always present. AI may become less like a tool and more like an extension of human capability. Education could be transformed completely. Today, classrooms often teach dozens of students the same material at the same pace, but every mind learns differently. Future AI systems may create personalized education for every individual, lessons adapted in real time, teachers supported by intelligent systems, students learning at their own pace. The workplace may evolve as well. Automation could replace many repetitive tasks. Jobs we know today may disappear, but history teaches us something important. Every technological revolution destroys some professions and creates entirely new ones. The challenge will not be technology itself, but adaptation. Societies around the world may need to rethink education, employment, and even economic systems, because the future is not only built by machines, it is shaped by human choices. Artificial intelligence may become one of humanity's greatest tools, or one of its greatest challenges. The outcome depends on how we choose to use it, and that choice begins today. Healthcare. In 2100, for most of human history, medicine has been reactive. People became sick, doctors responded, but by 2100, healthcare may become predictive. Imagine a world where diseases are detected before symptoms even appear. Artificial intelligence may analyze billions of health data points in real time. Tiny wearable devices could monitor your body 24 hours a day. Heart rate, blood chemistry, stress levels, sleep patterns, all constantly measured, all instantly analyzed. The moment something changes, an alert is sent, not after the illness begins, before it begins. This shift could transform medicine forever because preventing disease is often easier than curing it. The future doctor may not only treat patients, they may prevent illnesses from happening in the first place. Gene editing could also reshape healthcare. Scientists are already exploring technologies capable of modifying DNA. In the future, inherited diseases may become increasingly preventable. Conditions that once affected generations of families could one day become rare. But with such power comes difficult questions. Where should society draw the line? Could humanity begin altering traits beyond health, intelligence, appearance, physical ability? The future of medicine may challenge not only science, but ethics as well. Another revolutionary technology may operate at a scale invisible to the human eye. Nanotechnology, machines smaller than a grain of dust, tiny devices traveling through the bloodstream, repairing damaged cells, destroying harmful bacteria, delivering medicine exactly where it is needed. It sounds like science fiction, but many researchers believe early forms of these technologies may emerge within this century. As medicine advances, life expectancy could rise dramatically. Living beyond 100 years of age may become increasingly common. The question may no longer be how long we live, but how well we live, because a longer life means little without health. The future of medicine may not simply extend life, it may redefine it. The future of work. Work has shaped human civilization for thousands of years, but work itself is constantly changing. Farmers became factory workers became office workers, and now humanity enters the age of intelligent machines. By 2100, many jobs that exist today may no longer exist. Automation could handle repetitive tasks faster and more efficiently than humans. Artificial intelligence may perform complex analysis in seconds. Robots may work in environments too dangerous for people. Entire industries could transform, but history offers an important lesson. Every technological revolution creates uncertainty, and every revolution creates opportunity. The jobs of the future may sound unfamiliar today. Virtual world architects, space habitat engineers, human-AI interaction specialists, genetic designers. Professions we cannot yet imagine may eventually become ordinary careers. Remote work may evolve far beyond video calls. Future workplaces could exist inside immersive digital environments. People from different continents may collaborate in realistic virtual spaces. Distance may become irrelevant. Geography may lose importance. Talent could become the world's most valuable resource. Some experts even suggest that economic systems themselves may change. If automation performs much of society's labor, new models may emerge. Universal basic income is one possibility often discussed. The debate continues, because the future of work is not simply about technology, it is about purpose. For centuries, work has provided income, but also identity, meaning, community. As machines take on more tasks, humanity may face a profound question. What does it truly mean to work? And perhaps even more importantly, what gives life meaning when survival no longer depends on labor? Life beyond Earth. For as long as humans have existed, we have looked toward the sky, wondering, dreaming, questioning. Are we alone? What lies beyond our world? In the 21st century, humanity took its first steps into space. By 2100, those first steps may become a giant leap. Permanent settlements on the moon may already exist, serving as research centers, mining facilities, or gateways to deeper space exploration. The moon may become humanity's first outpost beyond Earth. But even greater ambitions lie farther away. Mars, a frozen desert world nearly 200 million kilometers from Earth. Today, reaching Mars remains one of humanity's greatest engineering challenges. Tomorrow, it may become a destination. Future Martian cities may rise beneath protective domes. Advanced technologies could generate oxygen, produce food, recycle water, creating self-sustaining communities on another world. Children born on Mars may one day look at Earth not as home, but as the world their ancestors came from. Human civilization may eventually expand beyond a single planet, becoming multi-planetary. This may not only be a scientific achievement, it could become a matter of survival. Because throughout history, civilizations have faced disasters, wars, climate shifts, natural catastrophes. Expanding beyond Earth could help ensure humanity's long-term future. Some scientists believe that becoming a spacefaring civilization is one of the most important goals humanity can pursue. The universe is unimaginably vast. Our galaxy alone contains hundreds of billions of stars, and there are billions of galaxies beyond it. The story of humanity may still be in its earliest chapter. The stars may not be the end of our journey. They may only be the beginning. Conclusion. Predicting the future has never been easy. History is full of surprises. 100 years ago, few people imagined the world we live in today. The internet, artificial intelligence, space exploration. Technologies once considered impossible became reality. The same may happen again. Some predictions about 2100 will come true, others will not. The future rarely unfolds exactly as expected, but one thing appears certain: change is accelerating. Every year brings new discoveries, new technologies, new possibilities. The future is not a distant place. It is being built right now, in laboratories, universities, startups, research centers, and perhaps even in ways we do not yet recognize. The year 2100 may seem far away, but for future generations it will simply be the present. The world they inherit depends on the choices we make today, because the future is not something that happens to us. It is something we create. The question is not whether the world will change. It always has. The real question is this: when humanity reaches the year 2100, what kind of future will we choose to build?